Well, shares of Visa hit an all-time high in today's session. Visa stock has been steadily on the rise since the company's last earnings report, which forecasted a resilient outlook on consumer spending. Rachelle, resilient, yes, but this weekend we're going to get a really good pulse on where the mindset is going into this holiday season. We were talking about this earlier, about Americans increasingly turning to their credit cards, right, to be able to spend during the holiday season. Yes, they want to buy up more gifts. Yes, there's an expectation of retail sales going higher, or at least within the holiday shopping season, but a lot of those charges likely to go on their credit cards given the trend that we've seen leading up to this holiday season.
It's true. And also looking at shares of MasterCard as well, similar story there. And so when you think people are saying, look, we're strapped for cash here, still willing to spend though, and as we mentioned, it's about how they're paying for it. We talked about credit card debt, buy now, pay later, which itself does not show up on your credit report, but once you miss a payment, those delinquencies, they do start showing up. So you have to wonder when some of these things are going to come home to roost. We've been seeing a lot of them in these earnings calls, retailers worried about the softer consumer here, still willing to spend, but as we've seen, some trading down, perhaps instead of, going all out and having a big renovation or something, trading down to something smaller, perhaps going in a little bit less, trying to be a bit more discerning here. But it's really hard to marry this with a lot of the concerns people have going into 2024 about how bad they feel about the economy when they're still spending and we're still seeing credit cards going up as well, that credit card spending.